Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. PureTalk offers wireless service utilizing AT&T's extensive network infrastructure. This means you can expect reliable coverage across a wide area. Their plans are straightforward and generally more budget-friendly than going directly through AT&T. PureTalk provides several different prepaid plans, allowing you to choose the option that best aligns with your data needs and calling habits. They offer options ranging from plans with limited data for light users to unlimited data plans for those who stream a lot of video or frequently use data-intensive applications. One of the attractive aspects of PureTalk is their focus on customer service. They strive to provide personalized support and address any issues promptly. They also offer a 7-day money-back guarantee, providing a risk-free trial period to see if their service meets your expectations. Bringing your own phone to PureTalk is generally possible, assuming it's compatible with AT&T's network. This can save you a substantial amount of money compared to buying a new device. Check their website for compatibility details. While PureTalk offers a solid and generally affordable service, understanding their coverage map is essential before making a switch. Some areas might have weaker coverage compared to going directly through AT&T. Visiting their website to verify coverage in your specific location is recommended. They have various online resources and customer support channels to help you decide if PureTalk is the right fit for your wireless needs. Porting your existing number to PureTalk is usually a straightforward process, allowing you to keep your current phone number. PureTalk emphasizes a no-contract approach, giving you the flexibility to change plans or providers without being locked into a lengthy agreement. This freedom and control over your wireless service can be particularly appealing to those who value flexibility. They also offer family plans, which can provide further cost savings when multiple lines are needed. Overall, PureTalk presents a compelling alternative to larger carriers, especially for budget-conscious consumers looking for reliable service on the AT&T network. Remember to research their coverage in your area and compare their plan offerings to ensure they align with your individual requirements.